Hi and welcome to Spice and Pans. Today we'll be cooking classic Chinese style broccoli in garlic sauce. So let's start cooking. We are proud to announce our collaboration with Pots and Pans Culinary Studio. Our local Chinese delight course features 10 of our dearest recipes for you to learn hands-on at Pots and Pans Culinary Studio. The experienced trainers here at Pots and Pans are prepped and ready to share with you the offline experience of our dishes. Join us in our exclusive local Chinese delight culinary course. Sign up with the link below or scan our QR code. See you there. Now we're going to blanch our broccoli. Make sure that your water is boiling. I'm using medium heat right now. Add in a little bit of salt, half a teaspoon will be good. Pour in a little bit of oil. This is really necessary because we want the broccoli to retain its greenness as well as a very shiny sheen on the vegetables in a while. So now we put in our broccoli. I have with me over here 260 grams of broccoli. Now depending on how tender or crunchy you want it to be, the blanching time can be from 10 seconds to 20 seconds. So for me, this is something like this will be good enough because we like to have a little bit of crunch on our broccoli. So we're just going to remove this. And besides, the remaining heat will cook this further. We don't want this to be overcooked. So just remove them from the boiling water and set them aside. I'll show you the next step in a while. Now we're going to put the dish together. Heat up your wok or pan. Add in a good amount of oil. I'm using medium heat right now. You can do the same too. Add in a few pieces of thinly sliced ginger. 3 or 4 pieces. They'll be fine. Put it in. We want to flavor the oil with this ginger aroma. We need to fry them until they are a little bit brown on the sides. This is a very basic way to cook your vegetables or broccoli. It's super simple and super delicious. I can really start to smell the beautiful fragrance from the garlic, and as you can see, the sides are browning up beautifully. Now there's 2 options. You can remove this from the pan or wok, or you can actually cook them together with garlic in a while, but I'll be removing them. Using the same heat, now we add in a whole bulk of chopped garlic. Move them around, we don't want to burn them. I'm using medium heat now. We want to get all the beautiful fragrance out. Once you start to smell the beautiful fragrance coming out, we'll add in our seasonings. 1 tablespoon of fish sauce, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, as well as half a teaspoon of sugar. Now we just mix them up a little bit. Once you're done with this, we'll add in our cornstarch solution. I'm using 150 milliliters of water with 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. If you do not have cornstarch, you can use tapioca starch, potato starch, no problem. Pour everything in. Move them around. Now we want this to have a little bit of darker color. I'm adding in a little bit of dark soy sauce. You can omit the dark soy sauce if you do not like it to be having a darker hue, but this looks so pretty right now. Once this has come to a very thick consistency like this, we'll add in our broccoli. You can turn off the heat right now and we just mix and toss them around. And ladies and gentlemen, it's time for our lunch. And now the dish is done, let's have a taste. I love the fragrance of the garlic, really, really good. Let's try this now. Some of the sauce. I love the crunchiness of the broccoli. The garlic really enhanced the flavor of the broccoli very, very, very well. So ladies and gentlemen, I hope you like our video. Do click like on our video and do subscribe to our channel. And now, it's your turn to cook. See you. Bye bye. Wow. With rice, killer.